Hello students, our topic is construction of the FA that accept all the strings of A's and B's, where every string should start from the AAA. So now alphabet sigma equal to A comma B. So you know sigma star. What is sigma star here? Now every string from the sigma star W should start with what? A followed with any number of A's and B's. Now what is X here? X equal to either A or B comes, but initially what start with A. So as I mentioned clearly, if you see the language of this requirement will be, you have to start with A minimum, so followed by either B or any number of A's, 4 A's can come, or any number of B's and A's can come, but this must start with what? A. So first, as I mentioned very clearly, they are asking construct the FA that accept all the strings of A's and B's, where every string should start from the A, correct? The major point is we need to find the number of states for this. So number of states, what is start string length? What is starting string length? How much is there? This is 3. So 3 plus 2, total 5 state will get. So you will check whether this is correct or not. Number of states in FA will be 5. How? String length, how much is the starting string length? 3. 3 plus 2, add, because we have observed previous example, same way we got. Check it. So q0 on A, so I need to make q1 because I must give a transition for 3 A's, then I have to think for X, then later we can control FA because we should not start with B. So against A, q2, so q2 on A, q3, so q3 should accept or not? Yes, accept. After that any number of A's and B's can come, but it should not start with B, correct or not? So q4 I should make it. So q0 on B, q4. So middle also should not come B, is correct or not? Should reject it. Should reject it. Yes or no? Should reject it. It is reject. See, it is a complete system only. At each and every state we have a transition for all the symbols exactly one time. So AB, AB, AB and AB, AB is there. What is q4? Q4 is nothing but what? Dead state. Dead state or unreachable state, that you would understand. So number of states, how many number of states we got? 1 2 3 4 5 only. So as I mentioned clearly, correct or not? Just check it whether these strings will accept or not. W equal to AA, BA is there. According to our language, this should be rejected. Check it whether rejecting or not. So q0 on A, where it is going? Q1. Q1 on A, Q2. Q2 on B, where it is going? Q2 on B, Q2 on B, Q4. Q4 on A, Q4 only. Q4 is what? Rejecting state or not? This is rejecting. The string is going to be rejected. So you can give any string, whether it's going to be rejecting or accepting will happen. Are you getting my point? So this way we can construct our requirement. Thank you all of you.